Welcome back to the Harmonic Trading Club. In this video, we're going to be breaking down my top 10 reasons on why 95% of Forex traders either fail or quit. Now, you want to stay through all 10 of these because some of them might be the very things that save your trading career and prevent you from becoming a part of that 95% failure rate that we just spoke of. So, with that being said, let's jump right into it. Reason number one, most traders jump from indicator to indicator without understanding market structure or context. Signals don't fail, misuse of them does. Okay, that's reason number one. Reason number two, they trade without a proven framework. No system, no rules, which is almost impossible in this market. No consistency, always trying something different or new whenever whatever you tried before is not going right. Without a repeatable framework, every trade becomes a gamble. So, the consistency and a framework to operate out of all the time without changing. Reason number three, they ignore risk management. Winning trades don't matter if losses aren't controlled. Most traders risk too much, meaning over leveraging, holding losers too long when the market will clearly tell you when you're wrong and it's time to let go if you know how to properly set a stop loss, and cutting your winners too early. That's going to make sure that you're going to take very small winners and very big losers if you can't at least get the risk management part under control. So this is a math problem. This is not bad luck. This is really not understanding the math that's required to be profitable and successful. Reason number four, they trade emotional. Okay, these are all big, well known, and I'm sure everybody could speak to it. Even the professional traders still get jitters when it comes to making some of these decisions. But fear, okay, big time, greed, FOMO, fear of missing out, as if you don't take this, you're not going to get a chance, and revenge trading after a loss. The market punishes emotional decision making every single time, and I'm pretty sure there are many traders that can attest to that. I know I can in my prior days. Moving on to reason number five, they overtrade. Okay, they believe that more trades equal more profits. That's completely false, and you should see some of my videos on how less is more. So more accounts die from overexposure. Get used to some of this terminology, and these are the things you want to avoid: overexposure, impatience. I gotta do it now. You gotta be able to wait. Okay, the money is in the waiting. Constant clicking. You just have to be on the chart, clicking something, dragging something, charting something up all the time. And really, the time should be, preserved for when it's time to actually go look at the opportunity and when the opportunity is. Professional traders wait. They take their time. Trust me on this. They're not always trying to trade. Amateurs chase. They feel like they have to do this every hour of every day of every week of every month, nonstop trading over trading. Okay. Moving on to reason number six, they don't understand market cycles. They don't understand the different phases: accumulation phase, expansion phase, when the market is in the distribution phase, when it's only in a correction phase, and it's going to continue on, let's say if it's in a bullish trend, but they don't understand those things. And they're also trying to, instead of the whole entire cycle, they're trying to jump inside of that cycle. This goes to the traders that like to trade smaller time frames. I'm not saying that you can't, but let's say you got a full cycle that's this big and you're just trying to find some little small spot in it. That's going to get you burnt a lot, and it is one of the leading causes of burnout, quitting, failing, and that 95% failure rate. Okay, most traders don't know where the market is, only where they hope is going, and this game is not built off of hoping. And to be honest with you, it's not even based off of knowing. It's about your rules, and it's about just putting yourself in the best position in terms of probability, and then letting the market do what it's going to do, because that we have no control over. So there's no wishing, there's no hoping, and having an understanding of the cycles should be the baseline in which you get started. That's what's going to give you your best chance, is dealing with that entire cycle, end to end, swing high to swing low, not trying to jump inside and be greedy and be real active. And I'm talking to the scalpers too on this one. They probably don't want to come out and be honest, but that's a lot of trades. It's not like they're winning on all those trades. Okay, you might hit a couple, but lose it all back in one single trade, right? I'm pretty sure some of us have experienced that. I experienced it in my early days, even trying to be a scalper. Could I be a better scalper now? Yes, because of me understanding that cycle a lot more and the things that are taking place inside of it. Still, you actually want to deal with the entire cycle if you're going to trade the financial markets. That's any of them. It's Forex, crypto, stocks, ETFs, it doesn't really matter. Moving on to reason number 7, they confuse prediction with probability. The goal is not to be right all the time, okay? You can't try to force yourself. You can't try to force anything out of this game. The goal is to manage your risks, trade high probability zones, accept the uncertainty, keep your risk management under control with very tight stops under the structure that you believe should be your stopping point. Moving stops and all of those things will get you killed, because if you find yourself in a drawdown, you're just giving away extra money. The market doesn't need any more of your money. They have plenty of it. Manage the goal is to manage risks, trade high probability zones, accept uncertainty. Certainty is an illusion. It doesn't exist that I know for sure that this is going to happen. This is what's going to happen. This market does not work based on what you know is going to happen. Now, sometimes you'll be right. If you're in a high probability setup and the market reacts in that fashion, yes, we are going to be right sometimes, hopefully more than not. But to just make that a foregone conclusion that I'm right here, chances are that's not going to turn out too well for you. Moving on to reason number 8. They skip the educational phase. And I'm seeing this daily today. People want to skip it. They just want you to give it all to them, okay? They skip the educational phase. Trading is treated like entertainment, not a profession. And trust me, people, this is investing. No different than a person would do in the real estate industry. Every time that you look at a chart, you should see an investment. Okay, so this is not something you want to just be picking and choosing and trying to grab all these little small little bites of change off of. I get that we're heavily influenced in this social media age where you got people telling you how much they're making a day, and I made this much on this trade and that much on that trade. That's not even real investing. Okay, so they skip the educational phase. Trading is treated like entertainment, not a profession. Most traders don't study, they don't journal. That's really, really big. And they don't review. Go back and look at what happened, what went wrong. You'll probably learn something every time. Skill is built, not downloaded or told to use to someone from off the internet. Reason number 9, they expect fast results. The market rewards patience and discipline and waiting. It rewards for you when you wait on the sideline, and if you can hold back on something, the right type of high probability opportunities will appear. Most traders quit because the progress is too slow. I don't really feel like dealing with this. I don't feel like waiting. I can't wait. I'm not doing this. The learning is uncomfortable, like some of the learning that we might teach here at the Harmonic Trading Club, and the results aren't instant. Listen, all of that get rich quick, get rich overnight. I want to quit my job in 6 months. I want to quit my job next month. Those are pipe dreams. Those things are not real, okay? So consistency beats speed. Last but not least, reason number 10, they never develop the trader psychology that's required to be successful. That's why I have a certain portion in the Harmonic Trading Academy that I'm building strictly on trade psychology. We don't even need to talk about technicals no more. We don't even need to talk about skill no more. It's really all about that trade psychology. How strong can you make it? The chart, your charting, your technical skills are only half of it. Without the emotional control, discipline, self-awareness, even the best traders will fail. I don't care how skilled you were. I've been skilled at this, doing the same things you see me do now for a very long time. But even I had to tune up and get rid of pretty much everything that I talked about in this video to get to where I am, where I'm consistent, where I'm probable, where I'm avoiding bad losses, where I don't blow accounts, where I don't take bad trades, rarely ever, because I'm sticking to a system and I'm very, very strict and rule based. Things like requiring a high combined technical score, needing certain things, a certain set of things to line up before I will even enter a trade. So I know this was probably longer than the typical top 10 video that you would see from someone, but remember, One of the things in this video was about patience. So bookmark this video, save it, share it with a struggling trader that you know. Watch it as many times as you need to. Pluck out these different 10 reasons, see if they apply to you, and start working on them. So if you are one of those traders who are in jeopardy or moving towards quitting or second guessing yourself, then maybe if you start cleaning up some of these things, maybe one or two of these things might be all it takes for you to save your trading career and not become a part of that horrific 95% failure rate. So I hope you guys like this one. Click the like button if you did. Share this if you know a trader that can help. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the Harmonic Trading Club. Head on over to the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist where we can at least help you with some of your technical skills, give you a technical system, including CTS combined technical scoring framework so that you can manage the type of trades that you are in and only involve yourself in high probability trades, all over there in the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist. That being said, you guys be good, take care of yourself in the market, and I will see you on the next video.